Hi and welcome to our channel. If you're into marketing or you're a small business looking to market online, or maybe you're just starting out and you actually want to start your own online business, then you've come to the right place. We talk about marketing, all aspects of marketing here on this channel. So make sure you obviously subscribe to the channel right now, hit the notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we actually introduce new videos, which is on a weekly basis. And they could be about anything. We cover from Facebook marketing to email marketing to content marketing, anything to do with marketing. And we try and give you loads of little tips and tricks that you can actually use in your business, which will help you get more customers and ultimately more sales. Also, remember to subscribe to our Internet Monthly magazine. And you can go and grab that every single month when a new issue comes out. And that's full of ideas, articles, and even interviews with top internet gurus and how they actually run their business and some of the tips and tricks they're going to give away to you. So don't forget to do that as well. You can find that in the link in the description below here, and also in the about section on the actual channel. To go and get your latest copy of the Internet Marketing Monthly is actually going to cost you just $1. Okay, so go and grab it now and see how good it is, and then I'm sure you want to be coming back for every single month thereafter. Plus, we give away other things, bonuses and free gifts, etc. on that website as well. So make sure you check that out right now.